Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Steno. Today I am going to dictate you a wonderful dictation. So get ready students, start. Through her judgment in the case Teresa Josephine versus State of Kerala, delivered on April 9, 2021, Justice Anu Shivaraman at the Kerala High Court, Ernakulam, has done her bit to provide much needed substance to the much talked about, a little hollow concept of empowerment of women, which receives lot of lip service without required visible progress, as it is suffering lot of sabotage from within due to our obsolete mindset. Stop para. Referring to the basic contention of the state government that the provisions of section 66 within bracket 1 within bracket b of the Factories Act, 1948 are beneficial in nature and are intended to protect women from exploitation, the court has commented that in the factual situation involved, the court has to consider the fact that Factories Act, 1948 was enacted at a time when requiring a woman to work in an establishment of any nature, more so in a factory, during night time, could only be seen as exploitative and violative of her rights. Stop para. Apparently, the world has moved forward and women who were relegated to the roles of home makers during the times when the enactment had been framed, have taken up much more demanding roles in society as well as in economic spheres. Stop. We have reached a stage where the contributions made by women in the spheres of economic development cannot be ignored by any industry. Stop. Women are being engaged to work during all hours in several industries including healthcare, aviation and information technology. Stop. Women have been engaged in several professions requiring round the clock labor and have proved them quite capable of facing the challenges of such engagement. Stop para. The Apex Court has declared in its decision of the case Secretary of Defense versus Babita Punia and others within bracket 2020 bracket close 7 SCC 469, then an absolute bar on women seeking command appointment violates the guarantee of equality under Article 14 of the Constitution. Stop. It was held that submissions based on stereotypes premised on assumptions about socially ascribed roles results in gender discrimination against women and violates their fundamental rights. Stop para. In the present scenario, comma, to say that a graduate engineer in safety engineering cannot be considered for appointment as a safety officer in public sector undertaking because of an offending provision under section 66 within bracket 1 within bracket b of the Factories Act, comma, according to me within bracket the judge bracket close, comma, is completely untenable and unacceptable. Stop para. This is evident from the fact that the state of Kerala has approved an amendment to the rules, comma, which permits the engagement of women on condition that all safety precautions and facilities for such engagement are arranged by the employer. Stop. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।